I'm Laura Lerdal. I'm the Lab and Market Coordinator here in the Culinary and Hospitality Center at the College of DuPage, and I would love to show you my crib. Come in. This is our Skills Kitchen. This is a kitchen where students learn all of their basic building blocks to take with them to their classes that are ahead of them. So in this class, we learn things like stocks, sauces, proteins, grains, all that kind of stuff, all the building blocks to take to the next classes. What's cool about this kitchen is we have 4 different suites. Each one of them has 4 kitchens, which means we can accommodate 16 students per class, which guarantees everybody a whole lot of hands-on experience with their chefs. They learn all kinds of cool stuff. Each suite has its own pots, pans, hand tools, refrigeration, stoves, grills, whatever you need, steam tables, so that everybody has their own mini kitchen. Nobody's got to struggle for any kind of equipment or hand tools, and everybody can kind of function real smoothly when they're in here. Over here, we have our coolers and our freezers. We also have a blast freezer, which is kind of a unique tool that we use here for cooling down hot things very rapidly so that they stay safe to eat, so they're not sitting on a countertop. All of our technology here in this building is state-of-the-art. So here we have TV screens, there's cameras. So here at the chef station, I might be doing small hand skills for chicken or tomatoes or showing them how to do different knife cuts. And it's being transmitted to each of the stations so the students can cook along with the chefs. Behind me, we have these giant steam-jacketed kettles. These are exactly what they sound like. They're a kettle that is steam heated from the inside so that there's no hot spots. I think they hold about 40 gallons worth of liquid. So it's been really fun on Thanksgiving when we fill them with gravy. We have our tilt brazier here. It's another big pan that's on a crank. It kind of tilts up and down so we can make large quantities of things and then put them into easily empty it and clean it out. We also are fortunate we have over there a combi oven that is actually like a touchpad. It has settings for everything. You can have a rice setting, you can make a hot and crispy setting. It has all kinds of crazy stuff, and it has a phone app so that when your meat's done, it will beep you and let you know. It is absolutely nuts. We got some students over here prepping for dinner tonight, and speaking of dinner, I will happily take you next door into Waterleaf, and you can see that kitchen as well and our students at work. So this is Waterleaf Kitchen. We got to be a little bit quick. They're prepping for service tonight. Dinner's at 6. Got a full house, and we have all the kids working. So let me kind of show you what we're doing and show you our spot here. This is the oven I was telling you about. This is our combi oven. It steams, it roasts, it has settings for tapioca and rice and all kinds of crazy stuff. Luis here is actually making
black garlic caviar.
Black garlic caviar for tonight's meal. It's kind of fun. We're going on potatoes?
Yeah, potatoes.
Awesome, awesome. We have more ovens, we have another tilt brazier, we have a smoker, we do all kinds of meat things here. We make sausages from scratch, we have curing cabinets. We try to make sure that all the students have the kind of experience so that when they go out into the world, they can say, hey, I did that at COD, and they know how to do everything. And here in this line is where the magic happens here in Waterleaf. We are really fortunate to have all the toys we have here. Over here we have a grill, we have a flat top, which is kind of a griddle, we have a deep frying station, we have our stoves, we have pasta over here and a work table. This is where everything gets made for Waterleaf. Each of the students takes turns throughout the semester at different stations. So by the end of the term, everybody has kind of touched everything in the kitchen and knows how to operate at each station. And here we have a brick pizza oven. We use this for our flatbreads and our items that are browned on top and need to be hot and quick. And we love this thing. So this is what we do here in Waterleaf Kitchen. As much fun as it was today to have you here, unfortunately, it is time for me to get ready to go into the kitchen to finish service for tonight. I would love to show you the rest of our stuff. If you'd like to come and visit me, I would happily show you around our building. We have 60,000 square feet of fun and all kinds of cool toys. If you like baking or cooking or hospitality or travel, this is probably the place for you. You should come and see us. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. I gotta go, I got things to do. Thanks for coming. Hope to see you soon. Bye.